zombie apocalypse.
What is happening, guys? Welcome to my Thermaltake case mod invitational build for 2016. Be sure to check out the build log down below in the description. I'll leave the link there. What we are doing today is we are going to be doing some fiberglassing, guys, making that body stronger, getting 3 layers on. So as you can see there, we had already pre-layered the resin and now we are brushing over, getting all of the air out, making it nice and flat, and just brushing over so we can add the extra layer on top of that. So as I said, we are going to be doing about 3 layers of fiberglassing, as you can see right there. Now I'm putting a lot of this stuff on because we have some left over, and it also helps to strengthen the build. As you can see here, it is all now dry, so we are removing the excess fiberglass just so we are promoting a nice clean build. So what we are doing here, guys, is we are using our vinyl plotter and we are cutting out the shape for the window. Now what we are doing is we are going to be sticking this onto some acrylic. We are weeding out the bits that we don't need, chucking that aside, and then we are going to be removing these sections like you can see right now.
Shooting star.
And this is what it looks like, guys. Now putting it onto some application tape, guys. It is very sticky, so it's going to peel the vinyl off of the back piece, and then we are going to be able to apply that to the piece of acrylic. Now we are using this method because it'll give us a clean cut when we are cutting it out, so it's just a bit of guidelines really. Instead of drawing it on, this promotes a nice clean cut. So it doesn't matter how rough it is. Obviously you can see there's a couple of air bubbles here, but we're not actually using the vinyl, so applying it really neat doesn't really matter. So just peeling back that application tape, and as you can see, it is on the acrylic, looking nice. Time for the cutting, guys. So we are just using our jigsaw, really fine plastic blade, guys, because the jigsaw will chip away if you're not using the right blade. It could also crack the acrylic, so be careful when you're doing it. Now for the middle sections, to get the jigsaw in, we have to drill out some holes. Now do not press on the acrylic if you're going to drill in it, because same with the jigsaw, it will promote cracks. So just let the drill do its own drilling and it will eventually get through. So just jigsawing those inside bits out, guys, before we start sanding. And here's the final result, guys. Now time to sand. So I'm just using a circular motion as I'm sanding back and forth because I don't want to stay in one spot at once, because that will give it a flat side. Now here's some other pieces that I had to cut out. Exact same method, guys, with the vinyl, the acrylic, and the jigsaw. So just sanding it back. Now we need to make it curved. So what we have done is we have grabbed the top section that we previously cut from our TIE Fighter bore ages ago and using it as a bit of a mold, using the barbecue to heat up that acrylic, because the heat gun won't heat it or the acrylic up evenly, whereas the barbecue, you can secure the heat in place by shutting the lid, making sure that it heats up evenly. So I just put the top of the mold on top of that acrylic just to promote the bending and try and get it neat, and this is what you get. A nice clean round shape. So that is the front window of the TIE Fighter, guys. You can see there's a couple of bumps in there still, but you just simply attack them bumps with the heat gun and you can flatten them out and round them as you need. Now what we are doing, guys, is we are putting some body filler all over the TIE Fighter. Now it is going to be a pretty heavy build now, but that doesn't matter because this is more of a showpiece. Now what we are doing is we are putting the body filler on so we can get some etching into it and start creating the panel details. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, guys. Be sure to check out the forum link down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Click here to check out our latest custom PCs that we've built from scratch. Do you have a PC you want featured on the channel? Well, click here to see what other PCs have been featured. Are you into gameplay? Click here to see our latest gameplay content. Thanks for watching, guys. Your feedback is always helpful, so be sure to leave a comment down below and we'll see you in the next one.